Cecilia's Stories. Today I messed up the clothes. Well, anyways, let's fold them. Because that's what I was going to do anyways. Put them aside. First, I have pants. Let's fold them. First, you put them right side. Because you don't want to wear it upside down or baliktad. Come on, let's do this, everybody. You have to do this, don't you? Yeah, you're right. I do. Let's move this here and then just here. Ta-da! It's ready, everyone. Let's go and get this. I have to do the shirt. Imagine there's an imaginary line in the middle. Not too thin, not too thick. But I'm doing mine just fine. It's ready! Ooh. Socks. Next, I have a pair of socks. So let's fold them. Put them on top of each other. Roll, 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 roll. You see an opening here, right? Now let's put everything inside. It might look like a bean or something. This is difficult. You might think it's easy. It just looks easy. Ta-da! You like your baby beans? And that's a wrap. Well, this is something you can do to help your mommy or your yaya. Help them do their clothes. Help them do your clothes. And this is a bit easier than I expected. Maybe it will be easy for you also. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!